up, everyone? Today I got a core support replacement for you today for a G35. This is from a 03 G35. Mine's an 04. When I got the car, it was hit, and the previous owner jimmied up this ratcheting system, very high tech, to hold up the radiator basically. And it's about time that I replace the core support with an actual one. I just pulled this off of a part out. Got it for 80 bucks. You can get one brand new for, not brand new, but actually yeah, brand new for around, I think, 150 or 200, something like that. And I'm probably paying that much, so I just got one from a part out locally. Removal and installation is pretty easy, straightforward, I should say. You need to remove your grill, front bumper, your headlights, your bash bar, and then just unbolt all the small stuff. And when I pulled it off the part out car, I did not actually have to remove the radiator, because all I had to do was undo this and that, and I just like pulled the radiator up so it undid itself from the hooks underneath. And yeah, it is raining right now, so I have to do this quick before the rain picks up. I got the core support off. Took a while, but got it off. And gonna take some small stuff like the bolts and like this thing right here. But for now, we'll put it off to the side so it doesn't get in the way. Put your bolts here. And now the fun part, putting everything back together. Guys, it's officially the next morning. I cut the video off short yesterday because it got really dark and really wet real quick. But here's the old core support. I'm replacing it because it's broken right here, and this piece right here belongs to there. And here's a new one, not new, but you know, replacement one. I got mostly everything back together. I did not have to pull the radiator, but doing it this way made things a lot harder, because what I had to do was actually prop the radiator up and make it fall underneath the two holes on the core support. So that part was challenging. It took me quite a while, but I got it done. Now the small stuff like the power steering oil cooler, you know, put that back together, and the wiring and the horns, that stuff goes together. It gives you a good time to clean up everything, so I took the time and I clean some stuff up right here. And yeah. Alright guys, got it back together. It's gonna be the end of this video. Next video, I'm gonna be doing the fender liners. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more G35 or 350Z videos. Peace.